Hello again, a footnote to the last video. I should point out that although I'm not some hippy-dippy crazy person who makes their own cleaning products, I do make my own cleaning products, our family doesn't get sick, like hardly at all. So I don't think the whole, oh, be careful of the bugs thing is really a huge issue. We hardly ever get tummy bugs, so I think basically it means to me that the spray and wipe that I'm making, and the toilet duck that I'm making is enough as far as antibacterial and bugs and things go. I don't really think it needs to go any further than a bit of tea tree oil. I think it's probably enough. Anyway, we have found it's enough. We haven't got anyone with high health needs or issues, so maybe that's different for you guys, but for our family, kind of a standard family, mum, dad and 2 kids, this kind of cleaning products I've done for years and years and years now, and we hardly ever get sick with tummy bugs, colds and things. So that might work for you. Give it a try. See you again. I remember one more thing. I've really got to start writing these things down so my videos flow better. The product you've just made or learnt how to make, so that replaces the need for buying kitchen spray and wipe, bathroom spray and wipe, toilet duck and Ajax or floor washing liquid. Like, it does everything. So you've just saved yourself a whole bunch of money and plastic. See ya.